president of India that corruption must end of India to stand at front of the world. The youth must represent this country in the Legislative Assembly. Many changes had been in Indian Constitution and that has been for many years. During these changes, India will not move fastly. The current technologies like artificial intelligence and GPT etc. are moving the world at unexpected speed. It is impossible to human beings to go against their ideas. We need young leader to legislate for the way of thinking. At the age of 14, Constitution remedy and Article 173 for changing from 25 years to 20 years. The philosophy developing of India and rapidly is the constituency beyond caste, ambition, feelings is only for the youth. With this change, corruption will end. With this effort, making of money illegally, buying votes is if youth come into the politics, they will destroy them. For more videos, log on to www.skillpundit.com. Please subscribe the Skillpundit official. Thanks for watching.